Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to post GIFs on Thread app. Why would you want to know how to post GIFs on Thread app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Threads and not sure how to post GIFs on Thread app. So today I am going to show you how to post GIFs on Thread app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Posting GIFs on Thread app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will post GIFs on Thread app. First of all, open Threads app in your device, and now here is my Thread home screen. And then first click on post icon in the bottom of this page. There is no any option to post GIFs, but you can do this by saving GIF in your gallery or just send GIFs to your friend in WhatsApp and those GIFs will auto save in your gallery. And now click on link icon and then select GIFs from your gallery and click on done. And now click on post and your GIFs has been posted on Threads app. So there you go. If you were wondering how to post GIFs on Thread app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.